Good day, I'm attorney RMV. I have been diagnosed with a thyroid nodule. Based on ultrasound, it's thyroid 5, so it's highly suspicious for malignancy. I did not opt for fine needle aspiration because I wanted something that is on a conservative side. That's why naghanap ako ng place where I can do detox and do some alternative medicine protocol din. And I'm thankful to God that I was able to find Tree of Life. Ang dami kong treatments na ginawa nila. They handled me very well. I had acupuncture, I had oxygen inhalation, then rectal ozone therapy, and there's also this biosapper, and then there's something na will check for your heavy metal detoxification. There's red light therapy. So there's a lot of things na ginawa nila sa akin, and for every treatment, talagang there's a purpose for that. And kitang-kita naman sa results. So after 3 days pa lang, na-notice ko na nag-shrink yung nodules ko. Actually, 3 siya eh. So, magkakadikit. So, nag-shrink siya. So, parang, I was still skeptical. Sabi ko, probably it's just me anticipating na mag-shrink talaga siya. Kasi I had no doubts naman sa mga protocol ng Tree of Life. But then, when I had consultation with Dr. Jansen, so nakita niya, and then he palpated it. So, sabi niya, sa ultrasound, it's 5.08. Parang sabi niya, parang 2 na lang ata ito or 3 or something. So talagang lumiit siya, and a lot of people here, talagang na-notice nila. And even my family, when they visited me, sinabi nila, lumiit agad. Parang, although alam ko naman na maganda dito sa Tree of Life, pero with an improvement such as that, in 3 days pa lang, grabe, kung pwede ko lang extend ng 1 month yung stay ko dito, gagawin ko. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy, and so, I encourage everyone sa mga nagdadalawang isip dyan, ano bang gagawin nyo? Mag-western medicine kayo? Would you do the aggressive approach? Or ayaw nyo? So, bakit hindi nyo i-try yung mag-alternative treatment muna kaya alternative medicine? Kasi, ang maganda dito, the healing is from within. It will not heal you of your sickness lang. Like for me, sa thyroid nodule ko, hindi lang yun yung hinihil nila sa akin ngayon, but every cell of my body is being healed because the way they treat people here, holistic siya. So, ayun, hindi kayo magsisisi. So, pwede nyo silang tawagan, kontakin, and God bless sa ating lahat, and sa lahat ng nagpapagaling. Thank you.